Isipin mo na nagdadrive ka sa isang highway. Wala kang idea kung ano ang speed limit at ang mas malala, literally, wala kang speedometer. Nakakatakot, di ba? And this explainer, i-deconstruct natin ang process control plan. Ito yung ultimate tool para masiguro nating hindi tayo bumubiyahe ng bulag sa ating daily operations.
Kasi ganito yan. Let's say nag-i-improve ka ng isang proseso, tapos bigla mo na lang iniwan. It's exactly like driving a car nang walang dashboard. Paano mo ngayon malalaman kung overspeeding na pala yung production line mo o kaya masyado nang mabagal ang resolution time ng team mo? Yan ang malaking headache kapag iniwan mo ang isang improvement ng walang bantay.
So the question is, paano mo nakokontrol ang isang proseso kung flying blind ka? As a Lean Six Sigma practitioner, alam natin ang logic dito, any improved process will naturally degrade over time kung walang intervention. Sayang naman yung pinaghirapan nyo sa DMAIC, di ba? Kung mawawala lang din ng gains after a few months. That's why the control plan comes to the ultimate rescue para sa ating mga process owners at operators. Para maintindihan natin to ng buo, iisa-isahin natin the LSS speedometer, building the control plan, setting targets and measures, feedback and actual performance, regulating process actions, at syempre, best practices for control. Let's dive right in.
Okay, let's start with Section 1, the LSS speedometer.
By definition, ang process control plan ay ang pinaka-key deliverable sa control phase ng anumang Lean Six Sigma project. Simply put, ito yung nagbibigay sa atin ng means para makontrol ang proseso para mag-perform ito ng maayos daily. Bilang capstone ng DMAIC, ang operational impact nito ay tinidiyak na ang mga inayos nating steps ay mananatiling standard, meaning we lock it in para hindi na pwedeng bumalik ang team sa lumang nakasanayan.
To picture this, isipin nyo ang paborito nating fast food chain tulad ng Jollibee. Kung walang standard na control plan para sa pagprito ng manok araw-araw, you can bet the daily performance drops at magiging iba-iba ang quality niyan kada branch. Same thing in a BPO setting. After mo mag-run ng project para pababain ang average handling time, you absolutely need a solid control plan para masustain yung mabilis at dekalidad na customer service every single day.
Moving on to Section 2, building the control plan. Paano ba ito ginagawa in real life? Let's use a pizza crust problem as our case study.
So sa pizza case study natin, ang Lean Six Sigma project team ay gumamit ng DOE or Design of Experiments. Basically, ito yung pag-test ng iba't ibang ingredients at settings para mahanap ang optimal inputs. Very crucial ang LSS logic dito. Kailangan mong pag-aralan ang iba't ibang variables, which we call our X's, para ma-achieve ang perfect outcome o Y, which in this case is the perfect pizza crust. Gamit yung DOE na yon, na-prove ng team na may dalawang critical na X variables tayong dapat bantayan. Una, ang oven temperature na dapat nakaset sa exactly 425 degrees Fahrenheit at pangalawa, ang time in oven na dapat nasa 11.2 minutes. Ito ngayon ang magiging pundasyon ng ating control plan. Now, paano natin to ilalatag sa isang table?
That brings us to Section 3, setting targets and measures. Dito na natin i-deconstruct yung blueprint.
In this first part of our table, sinasagot natin in plain language ano ba talaga ang kokontrolin natin at ano ang target. So we lay out the control subject, its unit of measure, and ang target. As you can see, ang subject natin is oven temperature, measured in degrees Fahrenheit, targeting 425. Tapos andyan din yung time in oven, measured in minutes, aiming for 11.2. The operational impact here is huge. Kapag clear and unambiguous ang target, walang room for guessing. The operator literally knows exactly what right looks like.
Next up, Section 4, feedback and actual performance. How do we know kung na-hit nga natin yung targets na yun?
Para ma-monitor natin yan, we need to define the frequency, how to measure, by whom, and where to record it. For instance, imo-monitor ng chef ang temperature every minute gamit ang temp gauge at ilalagay sa temp log. Yung oras naman is monitored every pizza via a timer at nilalagay sa time log. Now, here's a quick modernization tip. Instead of using a messy paper logbook sa kusina, pwede kayong mag-setup ng Microsoft Forms na nakalink sa isang automated Excel tracker on SharePoint. Boom! Digital and real-time na ang tracking nyo.
Section 5, regulating process actions. Ano naman ang gagawin kapag may pumalya o lumihis sa plano?
Dito natin isiset ang action triggers, action to take, who is authorized at the record. Let's say lumampas sa 427 degrees ang oven, ibababa agad ng chef ang init. Kung bumaba naman ng 423, tataasan niya. Same sa oras. Kung hindi 11.2 minutes, i-a-adjust niya ang timer. The beauty of this logic is that you are fully empowering the operators to take immediate local action. Hindi na nila kailangan maghintay ng approval from a manager para itama ang mali.
So, flow of action is extremely straightforward. Trigger condition met, local action taken. Sa isang BPO environment, kapag nakita ng isang quality analyst na may error sa flow ng tawag, they can adjust the script or coach the agent in real time, right there and then. Hindi yung hihintayin pa ang end-of-month review. And to take it to the next level, pwede kayong gumamit ng Power Automate para mag-send ng instant Teams alert sa supervisor kung nag-spike ang temperature o bumagsak ang metrics. Iwas sunog ng pizza at iwas sunog ng negosyo, for sure.
Finally, Section 6, Best Practices for Control. Let's look at how to make sure this actually works on the floor.
There are three main subjects na kailangan laging kasama sa control plan nyo. 1. Always include the outcome or your why. 2. Isama ang mga proven X's like our oven temp. And 3. Include any project-related critical to quality requirements or CTQs. Ang logic is very straightforward. You control the input X's para accurately ma-predict at ma-manage mo ang outcome Y. Lock down your inputs and the right product will follow.
Another best practice, feedback must be timely. Going back to our car analogy, imagine driving super fast tapos malalaman mo lang yung speed mo through a weekly report. Wala na, baka na-aksidente ka na. The same goes for your daily operations. A weekly report is completely useless for a speeding car. Kung hindi timely ang feedback mo, hindi ka makakapag-course correct on the spot and you lose the chance to maximize your performance.
And last but definitely not the least, operator empowerment, corporate HQ authorization versus local operator action. Pag mabilis ang takbo mo, hindi ka natatawag sa HQ para humingi ng permit bago tumapak sa preno, di ba? Waiting for corporate approval is a massive bottleneck that completely kills process control. Dapat authorized ang mismong tao sa floor, like our pizza chef or BPO agent, para sila mismo ang maka-apply ng preno the moment something goes wrong. As we wrap this up, remember this: apply the brakes anytime, when you need to. Otherwise, get a self-driving car. Kapag nagparapatakbo ka ng isang proseso, you need a working speedometer and you need the authority to brake. Ownership is absolutely everything. Ask yourself, kung babagsak ang performance nyo bukas, kaninong kasalanan yon? Sa operator mo ba o sa kawalan mo ng matibay na control plan? A real Lean Six Sigma master doesn't just fix a process, sinisiguro nilang hindi na ito masisira ulit.